When you're doing the crisscross, are you doing a neck twist and a side bend? Or are you doing a full twist of your spine and forward flexion? So if we want to get the most out of our crisscross and really get into your obliques, which is the value of it, then let's make sure you're twisting your whole spine, except your pelvis, so except your sacrum, and twisting and lifting to get the base of your front of your ribs up to the side of the knee that you're twisting to. And so that there's very limited side bend. Very often I see a big twist of the neck and then a kind of side bend at the side that you're twisting from. And then there's no twist of the rest of the torso. We can't get obliques without having that twist of the whole torso. So, or rather the whole spine. So twist and lift up to the side of the knee that you're twisting to. And then you have a really valuable crisscross. Let's add to it that you place palm over palm and keep your elbows wide as opposed to bringing your elbows to the side. So twist and flex your whole spine. You're not gonna look for the wall behind you. You're gonna look to the knee, you're gonna look just past the knee or maybe the wall to the side of you, the base of your ribs, just past the knee that you're coming up to. So I hope this makes you enjoy your crisscross all the more.